towards to this house, wherever. Why the rain? But at least we don't have icy road here, right? At this time, we used to always have an icy road, right, Han?
Yeah, well, it's storm coming.
Yeah, but we only have one snow. That's it. Before we have 2 or 3, and then have a icy, black ice, then icy, and all the tree was full of ice. We don't have that this time, huh? So it changed. You know this road here, the curve, I don't like this area here. Some driver was driving too fast there to turn. That's not good, right? Might slip you on the side of the road.
It seems like it's later than 1:30.
Yeah, it's 1:30.
Huh?
1:33?
2:33.
Oh, 2:33. Oh, you did not see it that way. Good job, boy. I did not look on my
I just looked at it and said, well, it seems like it'd be later than that.
Why have a late start on Monday?
Yeah,
Monday, yeah.
tomorrow. Oh, Monday.
That's curious.
I remember when we first moved in here, when we first buy, there's a car and the truck bump each other, that curb.
Oh,
What?
that.
Right off the bag.
You lay down on the bag. Wet. That's wet. So we are here. Mouse still landing.
See that?
Huh?
Never mind.
First neighbor's not there.
Yeah. No one's here. Oh, maybe Jerry. Is Jerry here?
As far as I know. Their lights on, so they might be here. Right.
Around. Oops! I remember before we always slide here in snow. And they are here.
One car is here.
One car. Two cars. We put some camera both side in the house. You see it? Camera. Camera both side. It's not that low or high. The water is not that high.
Not yet.
See the kayak on the state park there? They did not take it off. Still there. We are here.
Okay.
To our other house.
Close the video.
Okay, bye bye. Where's the cat? The creek was overflowing. We have a
See,
rain.
here's the bridge. That's the creek. It normally stays in that channel between the 2 trees. There's things there.
That's overflow.
Right here, this shallow.
That's
creek.
very. Huh?
Cattle are saying, "Give us a
No, the
shower."
cuddle, honey. Why did they not rescue them?
They can swim.
Huh?
They'll be okay. It's not gonna get over their head.
Oh my gosh. Poor cattle.
Put her away, Heather.
The water is. What the heck, Elaine? It's Then the rain or the storm here has been last night or yesterday. There.
Whoa.
Oh.
Locked.
Oh.
But
So how can you back?
Oh, I'm back straight.
Huh?
Man, I didn't know they locked this sucker. That's